चन्न माहिया आ गया है तेरे उत्ते मन माहिया रब ने मिलाया सानू इश्क च पाया सानू जोड़ी तेरी मेरी गई है बन माहिया।
तो ये जो फिल्म है द कश्मीर फाइल्स, इसने एक वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड बनाया है पहली बार विश्व के इतिहास में।
मैंने सोचा नहीं था कि मैं किसी चीज में वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड तोड़ूंगी, लेकिन मैंने तोड़ दिया है।
वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड बनते देखना अपने आंखों के सामने बड़ी बात है, वो भी जलेबी का वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड।
मेरी कंपनी कैरबे वाटर एंड सोडा ने इंटरनेशनल बुक ऑफ रिकॉर्ड में अपना नाम दर्ज कर लिया है।
वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड की हैट्रिक बना के अपना नाम इंटरनेशनल बुक ऑफ रिकॉर्ड्स दर्ज करवा जा रही है।
I'm Shiva Kumar.
I'm Deepa. I'm Deep.
From the early age, he especially he loved to solve the puzzle. So whenever we go out for shopping somewhere, he looks for the new puzzles and he grabs that and he forces us to buy that new puzzle and he solves it very easily.
We are very happy to say that Deesh has been selected for the International Book of Records by setting the new world record by solving 48-piece puzzle in less than 6 minutes at 3 years 10 months old. From the very early age, he loved puzzles. So whenever we go for shopping, he'll just go and grab the puzzles apart from the toys and all at this age. And as soon as we get home, he'll try to see the picture once and remember and try to solve the puzzle very fast. Like every day it becomes his daily routine activity. Like this time he wakes up and as soon as he comes back from the daycare, his only favorite activity is solving the puzzles nowadays.
After that we watched him so closely for a couple of months and we truly amazed at how fast he is doing solving those puzzles. And it's become his addiction for all these days. Like whenever he gets a new puzzle, he's addicted to that new puzzle.
These skills are very rare at this age and we feel so proud and blessed to have these amazing skills at this age. His puzzle solving skills shows a strong hand-eye coordination, his patience basically, and also logical thinking, which is improving his problem solving skills as well.